Hi everybody, Old Iron Will here. Today we're going to start up my 3/4 horsepower Bluffton stationary hit and miss engine. I have it driving an Eaton's wooden washing machine called an Eatonia. I'm going to give a quick demonstration on it in a little bit here, but let's just get things fired up and going. I really find this washer's mechanism quite mesmerizing. I could sit here and watch it all day. So here I'm going to show you how the wringer works. You can engage it with the lever on the side of the washer there. I'll run a rag through there and wring it out. Show you how this all works. Works pretty good. So this was to be my display for Canada Day this year, but unfortunately Canada Day was rained out up here, so I never made it over to the museum to show my engines this time. Next show won't be until the August long weekend, so where I'm heading to Yorkton. Hopefully I'll see some of you there. Take care for now.